Buddy, check this out. Ito ang ating move-in ready, single detached, spacious, modern minimalist house inside Orchard, Dasmariñas, an exclusive community with its own golf and country club. Kaya naman, don't skip this video. This is Pau Pipito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, you heard that right. Nasa loob ito ng The Orchard, Dasmariñas, one of Cavite's most exclusive community. Kaya naman, you'll get to enjoy a truly premium lifestyle dahil sa world-class amenities gaya ng golf course, grand clubhouse, swimming pool, tennis and basketball court, parks and playground at 24/7 gated security. Strategically located along Emilio Aguinaldo Road at boundary nga lang ito ng Imus at Dasmariñas, Cavite. Kaya naman, everything is within reach dahil easy access lang ito to the Anghari Cavite Laguna Expressway connecting to Vermosa, Villar City, MCX, Alabang, Manila and Airport at marami pang iba. Brand new, fresh dahil finishing stage na nga tayo sa ating Block 4 Lot 18 actual unit. Kaya naman, wag mo nang palampasin ito buddy dahil move-in ready na nga ito within a month. Lot area is 204 square meters at ang ating total developed floor area is 285 square meters. Kaya naman napaka-spacious at meron na itong provision for 2 carport, may magandang ventilation at pasok ang natural light dahil ito ay single detached house. Premium finish, total of 4 toilet and bath, 5 spacious bedroom including the master's bedroom with walk-in closet, bathtub, and own access to balcony. Available through spot cash or bank financing. Total selling price is 20 million. Down payment is 3.9 million only. You can reserve this property for only 100,000 at ang ating estimated monthly amortization is 132,000. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!